keep my line no more. Oh, oh, oh. You don't make it breathe, breathe, breathe. You don't make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, 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 breathe.
If y'all loves want to see how I got this laid today, then keep on watching. Hey loves, as you can see, I'm real excited for this beat today, honey. So my eyebrows are already done, as you can see. So now we're just gonna get into this phase. Okay, love. So now I'm gonna go in and prime my eyes with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and blend that all out with my finger. It blends out way better with your finger than it does with a brush, you see? Okay, to set my lids, I'm going in with my Sigma blending brush and my CoverGirl translucent powder. Okay, so we're opening up the Tri palette and we're gonna go in with that shade called Sand. It's a nice dark green and we're just gonna pack that in our crease. Okay, so we're gonna pop open the Afrinique palette and we're gonna go in for that shade Niger and we're gonna blend that out in our crease. Okay, so we're going into that Zulu palette and we're taking that shade Yellow and we're packing that on our brow bone. Okay, so we're opening up that Warrior 2 palette and we're going in for the shade Shawata and we're gonna pack that in our outer corner. Okay, so without putting any more product on our brush, we're going to take that Sigma blending brush and blend that shade into our crease. Okay, so we're going to go in with that flat brush from Amazon and my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. Yes, honey, it's time to cut that crease, honey. And it's going to take a steady hand and precision to cut that crease sharp. Girl, this crease finna cut a bitch when I'm done with it. What you mean? Like, this is how you're gonna get the best cut crease, with the pat and pull method. It never stirs me wrong, I'm telling you. Girl, I swear, cutting the crease is my favorite part. When that line though, that line, bitch, I almost cut myself in the process. Right here, I'm just blending out my concealer with my finger for a better blend. Okay, so I'm going in with my Sigma blending brush and my CoverGirl translucent powder, and I'm gonna set my lids. Okay, so we're going back in with the Tri palette and going in for that shade called Sand. And we're just gonna fade out the end of our crease. When you're going for an eye look like this, you always have to close out your cut crease with that dark shade. Okay, so we're diving back into that Warrior 2 palette for that shade Shawata. Okay, so now I'm only gonna pack that color in my outer V to give it some more depth. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the Afronique palette and take that color Niger, and we're gonna pack that on the outer edge of our cut crease. Now I'm going into the Masquerade palette for that really pretty shade Molly or Molly. And I'm just gonna pack that pigment on with my finger for a better color payoff. I'm gonna take a really small shader brush so I can pack that color right in the cut crease. So I'm going into that Zulu palette and taking that lime green shimmer shade and patting that on my inner lid. It's such a pretty shade. Like, this lime green is popping, honey. Like, I don't even understand. It's so lit. Now I'm gonna go in with that yellow from the Zulu palette as my inner tear duct highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my felt tip eyeliner by Kiss Professionals, and we're gonna make this wing, honey. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna finish the rest of this face, and we're gonna be right back. Did I slay this look or no? Yes, like I'm feeling myself. Okay, so boom, and she's lit, honey. Yes, if y'all were wondering about my lip color is by Kiss Me from Live Glam in the shade Leprechaun. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on all my social media at Ilahaya B, and I'll see y'all next time.